Hi, how are you doing? I'm so happy that you are here listening to my voice right now. My name is Stone Princess Filming the Pile Show, but that's not really important right now. I have a question for you. Have you ever heard of using peer pressure as a way to accomplish your goals? I know many people look at peer pressure as something bad, but let me tell you something. Successful people have used peer pressure to their advantage. And they do that through the form of accountability groups. So now, why is that important for you? It's important for you because so many people have goals, dreams, and aspirations for themselves. They write down these amazing lists that look so beautiful, or they do these beautiful vision boards year in and year out. They even sometimes check in the middle of the year to say, where am I? But they are still not accomplishing their goals. Why? Because sometimes we do not hold ourselves accountable to the things we want, but we will never let another person down, especially a person that we know that has our best interests, right? So that's where good peer pressure comes in. That's where the peer pressure of an accountability group is freaking awesome. Because here's the thing, we need people in our life who are going to hold our foot to the fire, who are going to push us forward, who are going to encourage us to make sure that we are living the life that we say we want to live. So I'm so super excited to share with you this amazing opportunity for you to join me in the Polish Collab. The Polish Collab is an 8-week accountability group dedicated to encourage action by holding each member accountable to set their goals, but most importantly, to slay their goals. Collab members are required to share their goals, report back on their progress, and hold each other accountable. The collab is the catalyst for you to implement the goals that you have written down, that you have drawn the vision board out, that you have actually maybe even attended conferences and workshops. The collab is the place where you are going to implement those goals. So what do you get as a member of the collab? You get trainings on how to actually goal set properly and be in action to slay those goals. You get weekly videos on mindset, on how to support you through your journey. Okay, because this is a journey. I tell people all the time, life is a journey. It's not just, a race where you get there and you're done. No, it's a journey. You're ever evolving, right? Your goals and aspirations and your visions change according to, where you are in your life. So you need the constant encouragement, the constant support to get you through, right? So also we will meet 2 times a week where we will work in sessions because it's so important to actually be in action. So we will work in sessions to make sure that you are doing the things you say you want to do. We will have weekly Q&As where you can get your questions answered and share some of your wins and some of your challenges, because sometimes we need another person to hear it, right? You are required to post your weekly goals. Here's where, holding your foot to the fire. We are here to help you post your weekly goals and report back every week how you did on those goals. Did you actually make it happen? How are you going to make it happen, right? You also are going to get a buddy, an accountability buddy that you will check in with every single day. I know you're probably saying that's a lot. Well, do you want to accomplish your goals? The most successful people in the world check in with their accountability partners every single day, sometimes multiple times a day, because you need that type of support when you're going to be great, right? Also, upon completion of the 8-week accountability collab, you would get priority placement in our mastermind, the Polish Mastermind, which is absolutely fabulous. This is, our upper level program for people who really want to up level, right? And then you will also get completion, a certificate of completion after the 8 weeks, and you'll have another opportunity to play with us so you can have longevity in accomplishing your goals. So what will you gain? You will gain increased confidence that you've made the right decision and that you are taking action and actually achieving your goals. Because here's what happens when we start achieving our goals, it gives us more confidence to do what? Keep achieving our goals, right? So that's one of the things that you will gain. You'll also get accountability and real progress in your business and personal life. This is not, oh yeah, we're going to do this. No, actual action steps and putting you in a position where you have no excuses because you have your support system around you. An instant and valuable support network. From the time you join, you have a group of people who are going to support you to your next level. And even after the collab is finished, whether you decide to keep playing with us or you decide to move on with your life, you have a network of people who you've been through a process with that can continue to support you, right? Absolutely. And a sense of shared endeavor, because here's the thing, you're not alone. There's tons of people out there who are just like you, who are wanting to be the best version of themselves. And so you can be in this together. You don't have to do this by yourself, okay? And the last thing is a boost of everyday positive mental attitude. When you are checking in with your partner, even if you decide to say, listen, this is like the worst day ever, you have someone right there who can support you and help you get out of that negative headspace, because sometimes we just need that sounding board, right? So now you have that person and the other members of the group who can help you throughout that process. So, hey, listen, if you are looking to be a part of an inner circle, be a part of a network of people who are making it their priority to accomplish their goals, go ahead, click the link below, and join our Polish Collab Accountability Group. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Make sure you share, let your friends know, because you should never grow alone. This is Sterling Clinton Spellman, the Polisher, CEO of Polish, where I teach women and a few lucky men how to lead and shine bright in their life, to inspire others, but most importantly, to inspire themselves. See you on the inside.